Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make spring salad. To begin, gather your freshest ingredients. You'll want a base of tender greens, like baby spinach or mixed spring lettuce. Next, select colorful vegetables such as crisp radishes, sweet cherry tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. Don't forget a protein, perhaps 4 ounces of grilled chicken or a half cup of chickpeas, and a simple homemade vinaigrette dressing. Proper preparation is key for a great salad. First, wash all your greens and vegetables very well under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, ensure your greens are completely dry. A salad spinner works wonders for this. Next, thinly slice your radishes, dice your cucumbers into small pieces, and have your cherry tomatoes. Cut any other vegetables into uniform, bite-sized portions. Now it's time to assemble your beautiful spring salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your perfectly dried greens with all the prepared vegetables. Next, add your chosen protein. For example, 4 ounces of sliced grilled chicken or a half cup of chickpeas. Feel free to include extra toppings like a 1/4 cup of toasted pecans or a sprinkle of feta cheese. Finally, drizzle with 2 tablespoons of your light vinaigrette. With all your ingredients in the bowl, it's time for the final touch. Gently toss the salad to ensure every leaf and vegetable is evenly coated with that delicious dressing. For the best experience, serve your spring salad immediately on chilled plates. You can also garnish it with a tablespoon of fresh herbs, like chopped dill or parsley, for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your refreshing and vibrant creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.